As the back-to-school season kicks in, you need every advantage to excel in your studies. But did you know that your trusty companion, your computer, could be holding you back? A cluttered desktop, freezing screens, loud fan noises, and a slow computer can be a major roadblock to your productivity. We've got just the fix to restore your computer's performance. At your repair depot, we understand the pain of an overworked computer or laptop. And we want to ensure you or your loved one is ready for back-to-school season with a fully functioning device. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to smooth operation with our professional computer repair services. We cover hardwood repairs, screen repairs, complete tune-ups, virus and malware removal and troubleshooting for you to enjoy a hassle-free school year in a peak performance. Stop by at our store, reply to this email or call us at 250-871-4541 if you have any question. Thank you for choosing your repair depot, your trusted partner for computer repairs.